Hello and welcome to the Phonics channel. I'm Mr. Tom and today we are going to be looking at a spelling pattern, another 3-letter sound. So a trigraph is where 3 letters make one sound. Here we have the O sound. O, O, O. Everybody say O. Well done. O. Okay, so our first word with the O sound in is yo, yo. It is your birthday, you could say, or it is your favorite day, which could be Friday or Saturday. Yo, okay, so something about you, okay, it is your day today. Your, or this is your marker. Okay, oh, and it's one of these days, guys, where all of the words have the same number of letters and the same number of sounds. They all have 4 letters and how many sounds? Oh, 1, 2, 2 sounds. So all words today have 4 letters and 2 sounds. Okay, next one we have is the number 4. Oh. 4, the number 4. Okay, 4, super. Next one with our spelling pattern today, our trigraph. Oh, I will pour some water. Okay, I will pour. Okay, pour, pour. Okay. Super, I will pour water into your cup. Could be a sentence. Mr. Peabody, what's going on? Why have you still got the swimsuit from the last lesson covering you? Ah, he's such a silly sausage. Why are you and little fox silly sausages like this? I need you today. None of this silliness. We're doing the Phonics channel today, okay? None of this silliness. So, Mr. Peabody, what is our word today? What word are you sharing with us? You don't know because you've been... What about, let me think, if you don't know one, tour. Okay, tour. Let's do tour then. Or I will have a tour of the house. Okay, guys, let's have a tour with Mr. Peabody. Okay, tour. So, we're going to take you to the edge of the camera, tour, okay, just past this is a light switch, but you can't see it. Okay, come back, we go tour, we're gonna go to the front of the camera, a tour, okay? So, here we're at the very front of the frame at the tour, okay, so that's the camera. Oh, and here we have is a whiteboard, so we're doing a tour, we're touring around the camera, and over here we have the other edge of the frame. Just past is the curtains. So thank you very much for that tour of the camera. Very good. Okay, so let's say these words over again then. Okay, so say it with me. Yo, yo. 4, pour, pour. And taught, taught. Super. Now, if you want to try this at home, get yourself a piece of paper, like always. Put the sounds, words, draw pictures for each one. That would be great. Or you can try and find these around your house. Maybe you can find your favourite pencil. Okay. Maybe you can find 4 of something, 4 apples, 4 colouring pencils. Maybe you can pour your parents a glass of water. That'd be very nice. Or you can go for a tour around your house. You can tour around your house and tell everybody what's in your house. Anyway, thank you for joining us today on the Phonics channel. We'll see you next time, and goodbye.